Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that just dragging an app to the trash on your Mac doesn't actually remove everything? Those leftover files can build up and slow down your system over time. Today, I'm going to show you the best and easiest way to fully uninstall any Mac app and reclaim your wasted space, step by step. Here's most people do. You open your Applications folder, drag the app you don't want into the trash, and empty it. But here's the catch. Hidden files, preferences, and support folders still remain scattered around your Mac. That means unwanted clutter. Here's how you can solve this problem completely. Open your browser and search for App Cleaner for Mac. You'll see a link, usually the first one, or check the link I've put in the video description. Click on it. Look for the latest version of App Cleaner and click Download. When asked, click Allow to begin downloading. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder using Finder. Double-click to unzip it. Now, drag or copy and paste the App Cleaner app into your Applications folder so you can access it easily. There are two quick ways to use it. 1. Drag and drop. Find the app you want to remove in your Applications folder, then drag and drop it right into trash and just authenticate. 2. Search method. Simply open App Cleaner, type the app's name in the search bar, and select it from the list. App Cleaner will automatically gather all files related to that app, including hidden leftovers. Tick all the checkboxes to make sure nothing is left behind. Click the Remove button. If prompted, authenticate with your password. That's it. The app and all its associated files are completely gone. Here's an extra tip. Use App Cleaner every time you want to uninstall apps. It's safe, free, and ensures you never have app debris slowing down your Mac again. And there you have it. The simplest and most thorough way to uninstall Mac apps without leaving a trace. Was this tutorial helpful? Leave a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.